Mommy Ella Home Furnishing Shop, where comfort comes alive. Enhance your home where every dream can thrive.
Before.
In Lac North and Pasquale Betten,
20 years old, dining set.
turning every corner into pure imagination. Home improvement crafted with passion and grace. Customized furniture designed to fit your space. Bed frame sturdy, elegant, built to last. Sofas that embrace you when the long day has passed. Dining sets that gather stories every night. Cabinets that keep your world
Let's transform into new look.
touches that make your home shine.
After.
Where comfort, beauty, and art